Hey fans, visit us for your Fidget City headquarters here in Lake Zurich. From Poppits that really pop and unique designs like the lobster, we have it all. For you, it's worth the drive. Hey, Toy Man Rick here. All things fidgets, all things stretchy. Build your better burger with the new Stretchy's food. So realistic. In fact, my little buddy Edamame loves burgers. But wait. The new hip zip zipper bracelets are cool. Look at that. You're gonna wear these too. Simply click and zipper. How cool is that? Zipper bracelets. Everything you want at Learning Express Toys. Enjoy. How fast will you stack the dimple stacks? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love it. Press them down, pop them back out, and let's start all over. Dimple stack.